Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can move like files from your iCloud into your photos, into your phone, I guess. So if you have space, you can move back all of your photos from your iCloud to your phone. So let's just go to general and let's go to iPhone storage and just check if you have enough space to place your photos. Scroll up and select your account. Select iCloud. Then you're going to select photos. Then here you're just going to select download and keep originals to move all of your photos from iCloud to your phone. The files will also still be on your iCloud as well, but it will be downloaded like into your phone, so you don't have to like download your photos whenever you want to send it, because I go through that because I don't have enough space on my phone. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.